Hello and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to be mind blown today? I wanted to come on here and share some of my all-time favorite, most life-changing, game-changing apps and websites. All of these are free that I use that have genuinely improved my life, that have really helped me out in multiple ways. Wait, do I have something in my teeth? I do. There's a lot to discuss. I'm gonna have links for all of these in the description box, and you might just wanna save this video if you wanna refer back to it. According to my analytics, 65% of you watching right now are not subscribed to this channel. So if you just press that red button down below, you'll be notified of all my future videos. So with all of that said, let's get started with our first website. And this one should honestly win some sort of an award. It is called gethuman.com. And this is the website. You go on here, any company that you need to contact. Let's say you need to change your airline tickets, or in our case, our Wi-Fi is giving us issues. And I don't want to be on hold for 30, 45 minutes. You just go on this website, type in the company that you're trying to reach, then you put in your phone number. It will dial through the system and call you when they have a human on the phone. Genius, just so genius. What's for dinner? The lifelong question that is just annoying. I don't have time for that. This one is called Super Cook. Go to their website and you select on the side all of the ingredients that you currently have that are fresh, or just the ingredients that you feel like cooking with tonight. And then what you see here populating is all of the recipes that I can make just using those ingredients that I already have. And I can guarantee you these recipes that come up are gonna be things you've never thought of, never considered making before. And what I really like about this is you can further filter just based on what you're in the mood for. You can filter for fast and easy. So you can filter by lunch, breakfast, dinner. Next is a website called Tempmail.org. And what this does is it allows you to create a temporary throwaway email address. So one thing that happens to me all the time, I get on a website and something pops up and it's like, if you want to save 20% off your first order, put in your email address. And I'm like, I don't know if I'm ready to commit to you right now. Like, I just got on here. I don't even know if I want to buy something yet. So that's where Tempmail comes in. You just open up the website. It will give you an email address. You can put that in. So it will send that 20% off code to your temporary email address. Or if it's a newsletter sign up or any of those other spammy type of things that ask for your email address, I'm sorry, I'm just very protective over my email address. I'm not just giving that away like candy, okay? This next one is an app, and this is one of the coolest, most used apps that everyone I mention it to has never heard of before, so I thought I would share it here. It is called Lensbuddy. When I'm out with the family, I want to capture memories, but as a socially awkward introvert, my least favorite thing in the world is asking a stranger to take our picture. Like, forget it. Lensbuddy is an app where you can get pictures taken of yourself, of your family, so easily, so efficiently. And the best part, you're gonna have lots of options because you know if you have kids, you need options. So it's a free app, you open it up and then you go to the settings. So I do a 15-second delay, 10 photos with a 1-second gap in between. So once it starts, it will take a series of 10 pictures. If you're just using the self timer, that's only gonna take one picture and then you have to do the whole thing again. No, we don't have time for that. Just do it once. You're gonna have 10 different options and then you go in and select the one that you like. You can bring a portable tripod with you, but I usually don't do that. I just find a ledge or a windowsill or something I could prop my phone on, and I just use that and take the pictures, and you can see what you're doing on the app. This next one is an app. It's a free app. However, I do have the paid version, and I will say that it is well worth it for me, and it is called the Flow app. This app literally knows me better than I know myself. It is the best period tracking app. Not only does this tell you when your period's going to be, estimates your period dates. Yes, there's many apps that do that. This app knows me. It knows what's going on in my life. This is one of the very few apps that I allow notifications, and it will send me a message and be like, Brittany, you might be a little bloated today. Here's why. My favorite is when the alert comes in and it says, Brittany, you might be a little moody today. Maybe let your partner know. And I screenshot that and I send it to Ryan, and now he knows I might be PMSing today. Flow, that's my girl right there. 2 browser extensions that you need, like stop, pause this video, make sure you have these, but it's just gonna save you a whole bunch of money. There's the Honey browser extension and the Capital One shopping browser extension. And what these do is when you're checking out on any website, it will automatically populate and find the best coupon code. And I almost always find some kind of a coupon code. And if there are no codes there, the other little tip I'll do to find a coupon code, I'll go onto YouTube and then type in the store name, discount code, filter the results by most recent, so you're more likely to find a code that's still active. This next one is for all my fellow moms out there who may be lonely. If you're a stay-at-home mom, first-time mom, if you need to find mom friends, there is an app called Peanut, and it's basically like online dating, but for mom friends. This didn't exist back when I first had Carter and I was a stay-at-home mom with no friends. Find people who live close to you, who have kids who are a similar age, who like to do the same types of things. My hairdresser is a new mom. She was saying she didn't have any mom friends. She found out about this app and now she has a whole bunch of mom friends. Now, for anyone out there who wants to start a little side business, side hustle, there is a website called sidehustlestack.co, and it will show you a whole bunch of different options of different side hustles, but it's so much more than this. So you can just look at it by categories. It will then show you the platforms where you can start that side hustle. Let's say you want to start a podcast. You can click on this and it will show you a bunch of different podcast platforms. Then you click on any one of those and it gives you a whole bunch of really useful information. What equipment is necessary, what the startup costs are, what's required to start it, what the average pay is. I think this is so cool and so smart if you want to create a little business for yourself, because look, YouTube, that was my side hustle back in the day. Actually, to be fair, this was never even a side hustle. Back when I started YouTube, you couldn't even make money on this platform, nor did I know that was ever going to be a thing. I just did this as a hobby. With that all being said, I'm so grateful for you guys who continue to watch and support and have allowed me to make this a job. Like, how freaking cool is that? I'll keep it moving, guys. I'll keep it moving. So now you've looked through all these options, you've decided what you want your side hustle to be. We're gonna take it to the next step. Using Tailor Brands. Oh my goodness. Again, do I wish I knew about this earlier? So let's say you've decided you're gonna make your own handmade soaps and sell them on Etsy. Then you come over here to Tailor Brands. You can create your entire company just using this website. So it will create a logo for you, and it's good. Like, I will show you some examples. There are templates to create your website. You can create your domain name here, get your business email, form an LLC, create and print business cards. Like, you can start your own small business and look super professional just using this. You guys know, or maybe you don't know, I have my own small business, a jewelry company. I didn't have this. Like, I had to figure all of this stuff out, Ryan and I, on our own. Like, even just creating the LLC and doing the website. So definitely take advantage of this. Speaking of useful, this is a home management app and website. I use it as the app. Centric, CENTRIQ. All you have to do, let's just say you get a new washing machine or your existing washing machine is giving you trouble. You open the app, you go to the camera, it will scan it, and then it will pull up your exact machine that you have, and then right there it has everything you need. Like, if you need to reorder parts, if you need to look through the manual, you can also take a picture and save your warranty information right there. Everything for all of your home appliances can just be in one place, so much less to manage. This one I am geeking out over and so excited. It's called edX.org, and you go on there and you can take courses on any subject under the sun. You can get an MBA, and it's courses from like Harvard, Stanford, Oxford, some of the best institutions in the world. You can attend those classes virtually. You do a marketing class if you have a small business and you want to learn how to market your business. I mean, there's so many courses on here, all free. And the last thing I'm going to talk about today, this is a new app that is going viral, taking the world by storm. It's called Musi, M-U-S-I. And it's basically like Apple Music or Spotify, but free. And there are no ads that play during the song. There are ads like within the app, but they don't get in the way or play during your songs. Why pay $9.99 a month for Spotify when you can get it for free? So if you did like this video, it would help me out so much if you could save it and share it. Like, that helps my channel out more than anything else. I am going to be at a live event with my mom sharing Mother's Day gift ideas. I'm going to have the link to join down below. Please watch to support. All that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.